Here's a service that digital agencies can offer to small businesses using the Highlevel platform that's going to allow you to get your foot in the door with those small businesses quickly, deliver a real wow experience with your services, and generate high margin recurring revenue for years to come. All right, let's get into it. The model I'm referring to is websites as a service. This is a model that's generated tens of thousands of dollars of monthly recurring revenue for me for years. It's a great model because you're going to deliver a real wow experience for your customers, which is a beautiful, shiny, new, functional website. But you're going to be able to do it at a very attractive price point, but it's still going to generate great margins for you and recurring revenue for years to come because they're going to be paying you for hosting, and it's going to be a really nice, natural gateway drug, if you will, to then upsell them to additional services that you can offer through the Highlevel platform so that you maximize the value of each customer. Okay, the demand for websites is massive and website hosting is massive. Website hosting is a great business. It's a huge business. But most small businesses have two options, right? They're either building a website on a do-it-yourself platform like Wix, which most small businesses don't want to do that. They don't want to have anything to do with the technology stuff. Or they're spending $5, $10, $15, $20,000 getting a custom design from an agency that honestly, most of those agencies are just really doing them a disservice because there's no need to charge a small business for that. And certainly most small businesses do not really need a custom website at all. That's just a result of a terrible, outdated agency model and customers not knowing any better. You're going to come in right in the sweet spot in between do-it-yourself and that custom service. You're going to deliver a website that looks like it was designed custom for them. They're going to feel like they got a custom design website, but you're going to do it very quickly, very efficiently, and it's going to be very functional because it's built on top of those high-level tools. So you're making a great first impression. You're showcasing what you're capable of. You're giving them that wow experience of a new website. It's kind of like a new car experience, right? Everybody loves to see their business presented to the world now in this beautiful new website. But it's your secret that you're doing that using high-level templates that are super easy for you to build these websites and deliver a really, really great product. All right, so let's jump over to the computer. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, I just did a quick search here. You can see what percentage of small businesses don't have a website. 27% of small businesses still don't even have a website. That's probably not that meaningful of a number to us because honestly, probably 27% of registered businesses out there are really barely operational. However, this statistic is really relevant to us, which is 86% plan to build one in the next few years. The primary reason why companies build websites is to allow customers to make purchases online and showcase their products and services. That's tens of millions of businesses in the United States alone that are planning on upgrading their websites here in the next few years. The reality is building websites is just there's constant demand for it in the marketplace. And most agencies are going about this all wrong in that they are doing custom design services rather than making this very, very simple. Let me show you a couple of businesses that are doing this right. Restaurant Engine. These guys, have a very, very simple, low-cost service specifically targeted to restaurants. And really what they have is just a handful of, theme templates that you can decide upon. And then you get some, basic decisions that you get to make in terms of what kind of color schemes you want. And do you want, a big header image or a smaller header image? Do you want, such and such page on your site or not? So they keep it very, very simple, just a handful of options. You can see done by this weekend. I think we can even see their pricing on here. Plans and pricing. So you can see they have a $199 one-time setup, and that includes the first month of service. Okay, this is really, really important how this model works and how to do this right. They have a $49 per month service plan. So they are essentially charging for hosting, maybe some security, some basic support, things like that. And then you can add a couple of features on a monthly basis as well. You can add online ordering and a premium version of online ordering. So what you can see here is that they are finding ways to stack up that monthly recurring revenue. And that's what this business is all about. It's all about, how do I get customers paying me recurring revenue and keep them as long as humanly possible? The great thing is that once a business has a website with you, they almost never go away, right? They will keep paying you monthly recurring revenue for years and years and years to come. This is why the hosting business is such a big business. So it's our job to make it as easy and attractive as possible to get them hosting with us, which you can see right here. They just have a $199 one-time setup. I have offered websites for free for years, and I'll show you why and how here in just one moment. But what they're doing is they're just making it as easy as possible for a restaurant to buy a website from them, and then they are making it as easy as possible for them to build websites by giving them just a limited number of choices and options and a very specific process on how to get that website built. This is iMatrix or Chiromatrix. These guys have been in business for a long time, serving the chiropractic market. They're actually, from what I understand, a pretty darn good sized business and very profitable business. And you'll find a number of these types of companies in various industries out there. But you can see here, this is one of their services. And when I first started following these guys, I think websites were really their core offer. Now you can see they offer all kinds of different stuff on here as well, but it's still, I think, primarily around that website offer and getting businesses on here and hosting with them. And again, it's very, templated approach. You can see different galleries of sites on here, so people can see, different examples. But it's a very templated approach to getting a website. And you can see right here, 9,000 plus practices choose them for their website. That does not surprise me. Like I said, they've been around for quite some time. That's a very, very healthy, attractive business. I don't see their pricing on here. If I recall, these guys are actually relatively expensive on a monthly basis. But clearly they've got something that is working for them. So again, this model is all about, how do we get people paying us that monthly recurring revenue for hosting? And the great thing is, once you have their website with them, using Highlevel, this is a great, gateway drug, if you will. It's a great gateway service because it's so easy now to connect other services from Highlevel into that website to continue to ramp up that monthly recurring revenue, right? So you can offer SMS services, the web chat widget, so that when prospects have somebody visit their website, or customers have somebody visit their website, then you can offer that web chat widget on their website so that they can collect leads off of there. And now you're getting them for SMS services, right? Because it's SMS that powers that web chat widget. You can get them, obviously working with them in the conversations tab and getting them using that conversations tab in Highlevel to communicate with prospects that are coming to them on social media and on their Google My Business account. So you can very easily add, let's say, another $97 a month to that monthly hosting fee that you get with them. Now, what I have personally done is I have offered websites for free. So I offer websites for free, and I then charge a monthly hosting fee, but call it like a power hosting or something like that, hosting, security, maintenance, and charge $97 a month for it. So you're not just charging, the $7 hosting that you can get out there. And in fact, you want to be, ready to explain why it's not just $7 hosting, because you're offering more security, more support. You may even offer basic updates to the site. That's something that I've done. So at $97 a month, you start getting these businesses on here, and it adds up very quickly, right? It doesn't take a lot of businesses to start making some good money from this. Now, I signed up over 300 website customers in a single month at my marketing business. You're not going to do that, okay? I'm telling you, I did that because it's such a powerful offer if you offer a free website, right? Businesses are used to getting charged $5,000, $10,000 for website design or more. And it's so easy to give them a really nice new website now and do it for essentially free or free, because all you're doing is updating some templates with some very basic information, and you can have their beautiful new website up and running very quickly. So I offered that offer free website to a list of prospects that I had not currently bought services from us. Okay, that's why I was able to get over 300 in 1 month, is because I had a big list of prospects that I had been trying to sell to for a while with our core services, which were more like $497 a month. And I had a big list of prospects that still hadn't bought from us. So this free website offer was this incredible way of getting them, into action with us and actually buying from us. So that's what we did. We made the website free. We just had a very, very templated delivery process. And then we started charging them for the hosting. So now we got 300 plus customers paying us $97 a month for hosting. And then a very good percentage of those, probably about a third of them right away, upgraded to some other additional services with us. So now we're charging $297, $397, $497 a month. So it was a really, really valuable move for us. So you can do this through Highlevel very, very simply and very profitably. The great thing about Highlevel is that it actually gives you the ability to build and host websites right inside of the platform, and it doesn't cost you any additional money if you're using the Highlevel templates and hosting. So you can see right here, this is just one of my website templates that I offer to agencies. So I've got local agency template 1, 2, 3, and then I've got this new agency template. And so I can very, very quickly just take this template, put it into a new account, make minor modifications to the site, and launch a new site for an agency. Super, super easy, right? So you can do this in any industry. And in fact, if you go and you look at Highlevel, they have all kinds of snapshots for you. All of these snapshots for all these various industries include website templates built into the snapshots. So what I do, and what I recommend that you do, is you start with their one template, but then you have somebody design a handful of additional templates into Highlevel for you for the particular niche market that you're going after, okay? Go after one niche market to start. Say it's attorneys. You've got the one website now for attorneys from Highlevel that's built into their snapshot. You have a designer, find somebody on Fiverr or in the Highlevel community, and find a WordPress template that you like, that's an attorney WordPress template, and just have them rebuild it inside of Highlevel. It'll cost you, honestly, you can get somebody from Fiverr to do this for you. You can get somebody from really just about anywhere around the world that understands HTML to do this for you. So with the prices that are out there, cost you $150 or something like that. So what I recommend that you do is you get like 3 to 5 base templates that you can present as options to your customers. That way it feels like they're getting something that is unique to them. It doesn't feel like they're going to have the exact same website as everybody else. You get standard stock images and let them choose between standard stock images, or of course use their images wherever they have quality images. You update the website name, you put their logo in there, you put their contact information. You take any of the copy that they have on their site for their About Us or their team or anything like that, and you load it onto the new site for them. When you do that using these templates inside of Highlevel and using the custom values feature of Highlevel, you can get a new website up and running, in 24 hours if you want to, just within the day with really not much problem. It'll be a V1. You'll still have some basic editing to do. But certainly within just a handful of days, you can get a new website up and running for a customer so that, they're going to be thrilled. They're going to see their new website really quickly, and they're going to love what you've done for them. It's kind of like getting a new car, right? That appeal of seeing this shiny new thing and seeing their business represented in a better way is just really, really attractive to businesses. So you do that, you launch their new site very quickly. Again, it's very, very attractive for them. And then you have your $97 a month service. What I recommend is that $97 a month service includes something from the other Highlevel capabilities. So let's say that website chat widget, and you include a certain number of chats in it for free. Something where you can demonstrate to them the capabilities of the Highlevel platform integrated into your website. So you want to pitch this website as this is not just a brochure online anymore. What we're giving you is a marketing tool. We're giving you a marketing website. And so again, you want to integrate some of those high level capabilities, web chat widget, a lead capture form. You could use the integrations with the social media accounts and show them how now all of the conversations from those social media accounts show up inside of the conversations tab. So you're, again, demonstrating to them that this is not just a brochure, it's a functional marketing tool. And then that's the gateway to all of your other services and getting them upgraded into additional service plans, okay? So you don't have to offer these websites for free like I have done. You can do like Restaurant Engine, they charge $1.99 as you've seen here. I know Chiromatrix, they charge more than that. I can't remember how much it is. But again, businesses are used to paying $5,000, $10,000 for website design. They're used to seeing quotes like that. So even if you charge $500 upfront, but maybe you include the first 3 months of hosting in there, something like that. So you're getting some cash upfront, but you're also making a very, very easy decision for them because they're looking at it and going, oh, I'm going to pay for that hosting anyway, right? So there's a number of different ways that you can present this to make it very attractive. By the way, I teach how to do this model in pretty good detail in my Services That Scale Mastermind. All the details are down below in the description of this video, but it's a very, very simple model and it gets you recurring revenue fast. If you're looking for a way to get your agency up to $10,000 a month as quickly as possible, generating recurring revenue and also giving you that great gateway to sell some of your other services, this is an awesome way to go about it, all right? Super simple model, productized, scalable, low price, high margins, everything, and recurring revenue, everything that I love about productized services or services that scale. This doesn't require time and talent from you because you're using templates. Honestly, you can hire just about anybody to do the actual build of the website for you and for your customers. It's not complicated at all once you get in there and learn how to use those high-level templates, okay? Start offering websites, make that a foundation of how you're getting your foot in the door with new businesses and selling these additional services, all right? If you like this video and you like strategies like this, please tune in to this next video. You're gonna love it as well.